Hi, my name is Alex Day, and today I'm going to be showing you how to beat those quarantine blues with my personal favorite thing, fire. So first, what you're going to want to do is you want to stack your wood in a teepee formation, sort of like this. Then once it's all balanced, you want to take your kindling and you want to put it just right in the middle here. I have no specific way I put them in. I just sort of shove it all in there. As you can tell, I am really good at this. You know, this is gonna start super easy. No, no. Let's try this again. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Can you just, I'm just gonna fake it. Where's the lighter fluid? Things started. Where's the camera guy? So, now after you've started up your fire, all it'll take is one match. Watch this puppy light up. I said, watch this puppy light up. The stupid thing won't start. I've used up all my matches and all the lighter fluid. I'm gonna have to go grab the torch and hopefully that starts it up. Very rare situations where my fire doesn't start, I like to try to find alternate ways to start it. I like to use look it up on Google, maybe ask a friend what they do. But my personal favorite is just to use just a little bit of gasoline, like so. Well, now it's gonna start. And that's how you cure those quarantine blues, with a nice fire. Thank you for watching today. Stay healthy, my friends.